Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In the first page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Google Maps and you will click here, you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.